Hi everyone, hope all are good. In this particular video, I am going to create a graphical art in just less than 20 lines of code. Without wasting our time, let's jump to the VS Code and start coding. Hope you like this video. So do subscribe, comment down, and I will meet you in next video. Goodbye.